So if you're a business owner in the UAE, you've seen the headlines. You've probably played around with tools like Claude AI, and you're asking yourself a really serious question. Do I even need my SEO agency anymore? Well, the answer might not be what you think, because the whole game is changing, and it's changing faster than any of us expected. And this is the million dirham question, isn't it? The idea that you could just plug in an AI and have it take care of all the messy, complicated stuff that is search engine optimization. I mean, it's incredibly tempting. It sounds simple, fast, and way cheaper. But, the hype, it tends to leave out some pretty critical details. I love this analogy because it just nails the issue perfectly. You can give someone the most expensive, professional-grade camera in the world. That doesn't make them a top-tier photographer who can shoot a global fashion campaign. The tech is amazing, no doubt, but without the skill, the strategy, the vision, you're just going to get blurry pictures. And in the world of SEO, blurry means you're invisible. Okay, so first things first, let's get really clear on what we're even talking about here. It's so easy to misunderstand what a tool like Claude AI actually is and what it isn't. At its core, Claude AI is a large language model, an LLM. The best way to think about it is as this incredibly powerful engine that understands and generates language. It can read huge amounts of text, it can reason about it, and it can write back with a fluency that is, frankly, mind-blowing. And for marketing, yeah, this is a total game changer, but only up to a point. And let's be fair, in the right hands, in the hands of an expert, this thing is an absolute powerhouse. It can do keyword research and map out entire content strategies in minutes. It can draft pretty solid articles, analyze what your competitors are doing, and even give you advice on really complex technical SEO stuff. It's a massive accelerator, but it doesn't replace the expert who's actually driving the car. And that's the bottom line. It's a tool, a brilliant one, but it's not a strategist. Claude AI does what you tell it to do. It executes commands. It doesn't build a big picture data-driven strategy that understands your business goals. And that's where things can go very wrong very fast if you try to do it all yourself. Which leads us straight into what I like to call the DIY danger zone. These are the most common traps people fall into when they try to use this powerful tool without that expert strategic layer on top. It really breaks down into 5 big problems. First, if your prompts aren't perfect, you get generic, bland content that Google just ignores. Second, you might get traffic, but it's the wrong kind of traffic. It doesn't lead to sales because the AI doesn't understand your customer's buying journey. Third, the content is missing those crucial trust signals, what Google calls EEAT. Fourth, the AI can tell you what's technically wrong with your site, but it can't log in and actually fix it. And finally, it's flying blind. It has no access to your live analytics or Google's very latest algorithm changes. Let's just zoom in on that third point for a second. EEAT. This is everything to Google right now. It stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. An AI, by definition, can't have real-world experience. It can't be a genuine authority. You need a human expert to weave those signals into the content so that Google sees it as valuable and trustworthy. Okay, but here's the big twist. Just when you think you've wrapped your head around the limits of AI and traditional SEO, bam, the entire game changes. Because by 2026, SEO by itself just won't cut it. We have to start talking about 2 new acronyms, AEO and GEO. AEO is Answer Engine Optimization. This is all about getting your business named as the source in those AI-generated answers. When you ask Google or another AI a question and it gives you that summarized paragraph at the top, you want your brand to be the one it's citing. It is a completely new front in the war for visibility. And if you're wondering, okay, but how important is this really? Just look at this number, a 527% growth year over year in website traffic coming directly from these AI answers. This isn't some future prediction. It's happening right now, and the growth is absolutely explosive. Then there's GEO, Generative Engine Optimization. This takes it a massive step further. This isn't just about being cited in an answer anymore. This is about becoming the foundational source of truth that the AI models themselves learn from. It's about getting your brand's data and expertise baked into the AI's core knowledge. Now get this. This statistic is staggering. It tells us that being a source for AI and ranking on page 1 of Google are two totally separate things. You can be number 1 in the traditional blue links and be completely invisible to this new, fast-growing wave of users who are getting their answers from AI. So what this all means is that for 2026, you need a triple threat strategy. You absolutely still need traditional SEO for the people clicking those classic blue links. You need AAO for the people getting immediate answers from AI. And you need GEO to influence the people who are using AI assistants to make complex buying decisions. It's a three-front war. So what's the solution to all this? It's not about choosing between AI and humans. It's about finding that perfect, powerful formula that combines the two. This analogy says it all, really. QuickBooks is an incredible piece of accounting software, but you'd never just hand it to someone who knows nothing about finance and say, good luck with the company taxes. Of course not. You hire a trained accountant who uses QuickBooks to be faster, more accurate, and more efficient. The tool supercharges their expertise. It doesn't replace it. And that's exactly how we need to think about Claude AI. And this slide just lays out the results, plain and simple. On your own, with the AI, you get generic content and a strategy that's full of holes. But when an expert agency uses that exact same tool, you get precision-guided content, a fully integrated strategy that covers SEO, AEO, and GEO. Plus, you get the technical team who can actually put it all into action. Okay, let's bring this all home and talk about what this means for the future. Let's talk about the real stakes here for businesses in the UAE right now. And the stakes are incredibly high. Gartner, one of the world's top research firms, is predicting a 25% drop in traffic from traditional search engines by 2026. Let that sink in. A quarter of your traffic could just vanish. The ground is literally shifting beneath our feet, and businesses that don't adapt are going to get left behind. It's that simple. So if you remember just one thing from all of this, please let it be this sentence. The winning businesses of tomorrow are not choosing AI instead of an agency. They are choosing an agency that is powered by AI. That is the winning model for 2026 and for the foreseeable future. So we need to reframe the entire conversation. The question you should be asking isn't, should I use Claude AI? The real question is, am I working with experts who know how to use this incredible tool to actually grow my business in this new world? Because winning is no longer about just having the tool. It's about having the mastery to wield it.